Oh yeah. What do we got here? Mini essential bags. Hey, they weren't lying when they said mini. Let's get into it. All right, so these are the mini essential saddlebags from Thrashin Supply. Just got them in today. Took about a month actually to get them. I guess they're on back order or something. And they weren't lying when they said mini, because now that I see them, pretty small, but they're made to fit right here between the shock and the lights. So got to get them adjusted, got to get them put on, see how hard it is. All right, so let's take a look at the inside, see if they give me any instructions or anything. Let me see here, hold on. Zippers. Let's see, zippers are oh, nice. Go ride, Thrashin. Got some little, it's got their logo right here, kind of imprinted. We got some hardware, not too much, just a few things to mount. And let's see the other one. It says 1680 ballistic nylon. Easy on, easy off. Combined storage capacity 8 liters. Bag mounts included, which mount between strut and fender. Works with most sissy bars fixed and detachable. All right. See if there's anything in here. This side, no, empty. Yeah, they weren't lying, man. They're small, and it's like, yeah, you could fit like just enough, like a 6-pack in there. Let's see if I can figure this out. All right, so I think I'm gonna remove this seat bolt, take out the back seat, out the Nightster here. Here's the key. Unlock the seat. I can remove this somehow. There it is. Yeah. Put this down right there. Let's see. How's this gonna fit? This one. Just gotta get. I'm gonna have to make these bigger. These come apart. It's just Velcroed. All right, so get them lined up where you want them. Get the Velcros so it looks even. So like right there, they're laying pretty level. I like that. Here's the strap. Line it up so it sits where you want it, and then just feed it through, and then secure it with the Velcro. Hold up, just like that. It sits on there pretty good. So once the seat gets down on it, it's gonna hold it down even more. So let me put this seat back down. So I don't think I can do it with one hand, so. I don't know. It seems like it's gonna hold it pretty good, so I could be wrong. But that's all I could figure out. I didn't want to be taking off all kinds of parts just for these bags. So you know how it goes. Nothing fits exactly the way it's supposed to. When I don't think it was really for this model, but we're making it work. So once I get the seat on there like that, tight, nice and tight. Yeah, these ain't going nowhere. But yeah, close this down. Yeah, that's on there good. Yeah, that's tight. So there it is, man. All installed. Took me longer than I thought. Just messing around with the brackets kind of threw me off. They gave me an extra bracket set. But they're on. They look good. And we're going to have to test them out. Do a little test drive. And load it down with some stuff. Mainly I just wanted it for some tools. So, you know, in case of emergency, I got, you know, a place to store my tools. I got little tool set that I built. Actually, I got this from Walmart, and it was like a motorcycle kit. I came with, and it had most of these in there. Almost all these tools were in there. Wrenches. I think I bought the side cutters, and I got some tire repair stuff. And I put a bunch of zip ties, and I got all the basic sizes. That's my toolkit, and I wanted to be able to load this up, you know, go on a trip and be able to, you know, have some tools in case of emergency. I didn't end up using these. I ended up using the other ones that were kind of like an L, but yeah, I'm gonna load it down with tools. I also got some other things to go with it. Yeah, I got a little bit of first aid. I don't know if I'm gonna fit that in there, but I got a pump, air up a tire. It's got it's a little mini compressor, and it checks your tire gauge. And I got a jump starter, emergency, multi-function, works as a power bank and starter, and a flashlight. So that's coming with me. I got more wrenches and tools and stuff in here. I don't know, maybe I can fit that. And I'm gonna put the sissy bar on. Let's call this project done. I'll load it up. Thrashin bags on, load it down. Just gotta put the sissy bar on when I need it, and we're good to go. It's getting dark, gotta close this video down. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Rooster88, peace out.